how to delete your saved passwords in Google Chrome. So this can be really useful to go and improve the security of your computer. Now there's two things we need to do. The first thing is to load up a Google Chrome browser, click on the three horizontal dots, and then press Passwords and Autofill, and click on Google Password Manager. Now this is the first place you can come and remove any passwords. So if you see a password here you want to remove, simply click on it, and then you can just press the delete button next to the password. Now if you want to delete all your passwords, you can press Settings from the left hand side. You can then scroll down to Delete All Google Password Manager and click on Delete Data. You can then go and press Delete to confirm these changes. Now there is one more thing we need to do as well. So head over to the website google.com and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Click on your profile icon and select Manage your Google account. From the left hand side, select Security and Sign In. You'll then need to scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click on Password Manager. Now this is another place that you can check for any saved passwords. So just like before, you can go and click on any of these websites and you can delete the saved password directly from here.